In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Shield in Last Z Survival Shooter. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what a shield does, so a Peace Shield, sometimes just called shield, makes your HQ untouchable for a set duration. So we got 8 hours, 24 hours or 3-day type of Peace Shield. Now, while shielded, other players cannot scout or attack you. It's the main defense against plundering and base burning when you're offline. So now how to activate it, go ahead and click onto your wall. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on the defense option. Then we got defense or buff tab, click onto buff. And now from here, we got a sheltered defense. So you can go ahead and click onto that. Now we can purchase these using gems. So we've got 600 for 8 hours or 2,000 for 24 or a free day for about 6,000. Now also keep an eye out from in-game shop if you want to purchase these. So sometimes pack bundles, real money also include shields as well. And events and rewards, so daily login rewards and limited time events sometimes give shields. So look out for survival events, alliance competitions or state versus state events. Shields are often included in milestone rewards. And also special drops, so certain packs, crates or random rewards, for example mail seasonal passes, may include these shields, so keep an eye out for them. And now there are a few tips for managing these shields, so don't waste them if your resource storage is empty. Shields are most valuable when you have lots to lose. Always keep at least one 24-hour shield in your bag for emergencies, and if you're active, short shields 2 hours, 8 hours are more efficient. Use that 3-day shield only when you know you'll be offline. And now you could also combine shields with resource hiding in trucks, alliance help or spending to minimize your losses.